Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. This is Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we are doing fish in a pouch. So first thing I'm going to do is make this compound butter in a bowl. Got my softened butter here. I'm going to add my minced garlic to that bowl. And next I'm going to add my dill. Now we're going to take this bowl and mix everything up. Okay, I've got my compound butter made. I'm going to slide this over to the side and we're going to build one of these pouches for you. I'm going to lay my foil flat, tuck it in so it can't go anywhere. First thing I'm going to do is lay down a couple slices of lemon across the bottom. So that way whenever everything starts steaming, get a little lemon juice to flavor everything too. We'll put our fish on top of that. Okay, next thing we're going to do is put our compound butter down on the fish. And next we're going to put in a couple slices of our squash and zucchini. And then I'll add some tomatoes. Next thing I'm going to do is put some slices of onion in there. And I'm going to hit it with a little salt and pepper before I close it up. Fold the two long ends together and crimp that. And then I'm going to roll my edges up to my fish. All right, we got our grill heated up to 375. Gonna let them roll for about 15 minutes or so. Okay, close the lid, let it rock. Okay, so our catfish has been going for about 15 minutes in the pouch. We're gonna pull one of these and see what it looks like. See, our compound butter has melted and flavored all of our vegetables. Our fish is under there looking nice and flaky. So there we go, a nice flavorful fish dish, nice and healthy. Great way to use up a bunch of summer vegetables and an easy thing to cook with your family that cleans up very simple. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker, and let us help you navigate all of the seasons, both in the kitchen and in the field.